Somewhere along that function 2x minus 1 to the power of 4, there is a gradient which is 8 at a point x equals k. We don't know what that value of x is. To find out where it might be, what we want to do is to find the gradient function by differentiating this equation and equating it to 8. So this is our equation or function, and now we'll do the differentiation of this. It's going to be a chain rule, so we'll put 2x minus 1 to the power of 3 because we need to diminish by 1. And now we'll differentiate what's inside the bracket and multiply that by 2. And this will be 8 2x minus 1 to the power of 3. And we're told that at k, this will to 8. K minus 1, this is equal to 8. Which means that it is equal to 1. And this implies that 2k minus 1 is equal to 1, which further implies that 2k is equal to 2, which gives the k value equal to 1. And therefore x is equal to 1. And just out of interest, I've put in the graph over here, which is going to show that at x is equal to 1, somewhere up here, our gradient is going to be 8. Now, to find the equation of the tangent, I do need that slope, which I already have, but I also need the coordinates at point x is equal to 1, which means I need the y component of that coordinate. To do that, I will go back to my original function and insert 1 into it. And substituting 1 there, I will put 2 times 1 minus 1 to the power of 4, and which is simply 1. And this can be evident when I look at my graph over here, that this is 1. So my coordinates are 1, 1. And the slope is equal to 8. And having this allows me to use my equation of a line. And so I'll just substitute this for y1, it's 1. And then m, which is the slope, is 8. X, take away x1, and I just work this out, is equal to 8x minus 8 plus 1, which is 8x minus 7. And this is the equation of the tangent. Now, if I were to ask you to find the x-intercept of this tangent, that is, where does this tangent cross the x-axis? Well, it only crosses the x-axis at y is equal to 0. So if we made that equation 0 and we evaluated it for x, so we find that 8x is equal to 7, and we find that it crosses at when x is 7 over 8. So there are a number of other problems that I would like to do, ones especially where you have a and b as constants. So if you are keen to get some of these, then please subscribe to this so that you can be notified when the new things come out.